In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install LibreOffice on Windows 11. LibreOffice is a free open source office suite that includes tools for documents, spreadsheets, and presentations. It's a great alternative to paid options, and the setup is quick when you know exactly where to click. Let's walk through it together from start to finish. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type LibreOffice Download, then look for the official result from LibreOffice.org and click it. Always use the official website to make sure you're getting the latest, safe version without any bundled extras. You should see the site's secure address and a clear download section. On the LibreOffice website, find the download button and click it. When you're asked to choose a platform, select Windows 64-bit, which is the recommended option for Windows 11. Click Download again to start the transfer. The installer usually comes as an .dual.si file. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a minute or two. By default, your browser will save the file to the Downloads folder, and you can watch the progress in the browser's download area. When the download completes, open File Explorer and go to your Downloads folder. Look for a file named something like LibreOffice x64.msi. Double-click the file to launch the setup wizard. If the wizard opens, you're in the right place and ready to continue. In the installer, click Next on the Welcome screen. When prompted to choose a setup type, select Typical Installation. This option installs the most commonly used components and is the best choice for most users. Custom installation is available if you're an advanced user who wants to fine-tune features, but Typical keeps things simple and reliable. Click Install to begin. The installer will copy files and configure your system. This can take a few minutes, so let it run. When everything is complete, click Finish to close the wizard. Now, let's open LibreOffice. Click the Start menu, type LibreOffice into the search bar, and open the app from the results. You'll see the LibreOffice Start Center with shortcuts to the suite's apps: Writer for word processing, Calc for spreadsheets, and Impress for presentations. These tools are ready to use immediately and work